we are implementing edit functionality, so an admin can update existing blog posts. First, I define a new route and map it to the edit action. This lets the LiveView distinguish between creating a new blog and editing an existing one. Next, inside form.txt, I introduce a new private function that follows the same pattern as new, but adapted for editing. The key difference is that here we extract the ID from params and use it to fetch the existing blog from the database. What's happening here is straightforward. We load the block by ID, assign it to the socket, and initialize the form with a change set based on that existing data. This ensures the form is pre-filled and ready for editing. Next, I define the save handler for updates. This is almost identical to the create flow, except instead of inserting a new record, we call blocks.update_block. We explicitly pass socket.assigns.block because we need the existing struct. Ecto requires it to track changes and perform an update rather than insert. Now in block.txt, I implement the update function. This takes the existing block struct, applies the change set with new attributes, and presses the update. It's the standard Ecto update pipeline. Then I move to the index.txt and add an edit link. We use let here to the structure, the raw data, and access the blog instance with the slot. That's how we get the correct ID for navigation. At this point, we test the flow. Click edit, modify content, hit save, and the update works as expected. Now there is some duplication between the create and update save handlers. To clean that up, I extract this shared logic into a reusable function. This function centralizes success and error handling. On success, we show a flash message and redirect. On failure, we re-render the form with validation errors. Now both create and update flows delegate to this function, eliminating duplication and keeping the codebase maintainable. We test again. Both create and edit flows behave identically and correctly. At this point, we have covered create and update. The only remaining operation is delete, which we will implement next.